Hi there, and welcome to the ExQi user creation tutorial. Today we'll be creating a new client reviewer. When logged in as a client manager, the admin option will become available on the side panel on the left. Expand the option and click on Users. This will display all the current users in your system. Click on Add User in the top right corner. This will open a modal dialog with all the relevant fields for a new user. Let's select the role Client Reviewer. Input a name, surname, a valid email address, an HPCSA number if applicable. Upload an HPCSA certificate if applicable, your user's ID number, and their phone number. Upload a profile picture if you so choose, and click on Create. Your new user will be created, and a welcome email will be sent to the email address you entered. Next, we'll show you how to log in for the first time as a new user, set your password, and set up your profile and signature for reviews. Kind regards, ExQi.